Hello everybody, Sunday 17th of January 2021. It is Matt. I'm just going to do a quick overview for you on cryptocurrency, which I know is flavour of the month. This is Bitcoin, hourly full chart. What we're looking at here is a very clear up channel. Price has moved this way completely up to the top. We've got lovely touch points both sides, supporting channel here. Price is making a sideways consolidation, which is, you could argue, also a symmetrical triangle is being formed around here. What I would love to see is price obviously come lower, not take out that low, which is, this is in dollars, 30,170. Ideally don't want to take that low out. It's already bouncing today, Sunday, had a nice drop and up it goes. Ideally you want to come down here. We've got this symmetrical triangle. Should that break, should that support hold there and then break this move up, we're looking at probably 46 to 50k. So big levels. One of the reasons I don't suspect prices having a huge correction or big reduction of the move up is because we don't have the significant divergence we'd be looking for. Also, our target still remains after this symmetrical triangle breakout. I'm just going to show you our key Fibonacci levels. Hopefully you can see that. We've got a slingshot here of 46,233, slingshot there 46,237, slingshot there 46,391. So these are huge levels. It doesn't mean the move will be completely over. But what you can see clearly on the awesome oscillators, no divergence. You would expect divergence in the fifth wave. Wave 3 is always the strongest, which we've clearly got now. We would want to see some kind of correction at some point, pull back. As the fifth wave up here, price comes higher, awesome oscillator gets weaker, then you'll see a proper correction of some sort. But what I would say to everybody calling for Bitcoin to drop, you can clearly see we've been in a tight range since December 17 to really December 20. So 3 years we haven't really gone anywhere. So this move out is not a surprise. XRP, famous XRP. Again, this is the same chart which we're looking at. Really want to see some, what happens SEC aside. Really want to see some kind of move now coming. Again, it has been coiling, it has been built up, it's not gone anywhere for, realistically, it hit 70 cents, which was the same peak as there. So from that point, 24 September 18, it's not gone anywhere. If this moves, okay, you can expect a big move. Again, there's previous all-time high, you can expect $5. Next level after that, you can expect $8.50. So should this work, should this go up and break out of the range, expect a decent move if it does. We want to see at the moment, we've kind of had an A, B, and then the C down, we've had a 5-wave down here. What we really need to see is price holding these lows, 17 cents. You want to be concerned if it goes much below that. Ethereum, fantastic, what a trade. This has been absolutely stunning. Again, the target was coming back up to test these highs. So anywhere here was the target. We're not far away. We've got this main peak before the sell as well. So you could put this in here as a key level. And we're kind of in between. Bitcoin price action actually did exactly the same. So don't be nervous here. If you're holding that and you've got in low, there's still some room to run even if we do get a pullback. Again, the oscillator does not suggest we're in a fifth wave there. Again, this is just the same, but in British pounds. If I look at XRP, but in British pounds, one of the key levels which we've seen break out. Okay, it needs to get back above the moving average, but this trend line from November 20 come down, significant trend line. Okay, significant trend line broke above. So far, is holding. What I wouldn't be surprised to see is just a little move, comes back down, and then up we go. If it does support a rally up, we're going to find out in the next 2 weeks, I suspect. The first target should be all the way up here. This is XP British pounds. So 48p, break above, come all the way back up here, 73p. Again, same theory. If we have a look at the move, £1 and say 10p. So that's a really good return on where it's at the moment. Stellar, which has been great. I'll just zoom in on hourly 4 so you can see this clearly. We had a nice falling wedge of some degree, triangle breakout. Ideally, you want to test the apex, but you could argue that it has tested the apex here. inverted head and shoulders pattern so far is breaking above. If we can get above 33 cents, then the sky really is the limit, and this has just been a healthy consolidation after the strong move up. So and then we can easily be looking at sort of double where we are right now. So signs are good. Again, today has been hugging the moving average. Is finding support off there rather than it acting as resistance as it did in the consolidation. And now what we want to see is that we go. Awesome oscillators positive. RSI again looking positive, so that's looking strong. And finally, I'm going to cover Yearn. This has been again another great trade. We had the big move up, strong move up, and then we've had a healthy pullback, which created a higher low, potentially a wave 2 of some degree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe an ABC. There's a potential for a wave 3 of 3. Well, again, you could see a shoulder, head, neckline. If it does start breaking above the previous all-time highs, so 44,000, then we've got a huge move coming on Yearn. So keep an eye on that. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I'll speak soon.